Good morning, respected teachers and my beloved classmates. I am Amulya. I am studying BCA AI in Genex Vision Degree College. I want you to say that everybody please stay attention and listen to whatever I'm going to say. I want to be brave and talk in English because that has been my fear since childhood. Even though I can speak, it's always has been fear like what if someone will think that I'm too much? What if someone is going to think about me in negativity? Yeah, I'm not perfect. I'm here talking about attitude because I'm still in the process. I want you all to as well overcome and reach success, obviously, like everybody is talking over here. I would like to first of all appreciate each and every one of you who is participating and as well as listening. And especially I want to appreciate Ketana because even when I wanted to talk about this, I was sitting there, I was feeling very nauseous. But when you started talking, just like Aishwarya said, it really itched my brain somewhere. And I was like, I need to do this today. I need to at least prove that whatever I've been listening and I wanted to say will be good. Yeah. So I'll continue talking about attitude. First, what is attitude? Attitude is basically essentially the way we think or feel about something or someone. And it is as simple as that. And it is nothing negative. Attitude angane andaru yama attitude istundi. It can be positive and negative, but 90% of the people feel like it's negative only, and nobody takes it positive. So moving on, there are generally two types of attitudes mostly. One is positive and one is negative. Yeah, neutral also, but that's very less. Majorly, we'll talk about positive first. Being positive will push you to overcome your fears and become successful. That's the basic thing. But how? Being positive not only will help you in studies, but it can also be in your own life. For example, let's take someone is having a really hard time and they don't know what to do. There are two ways. She or he can either think positive or negative. Negative is absolutely waste because that will not push you anywhere. So obviously you have to be positive. Mainly positivity you should pulls you to be like welcoming to challenges or problems. And whereas negativity can only be a burden, it will only make you think that you will fail and nothing else. So moving on, we have the growth mindset. What is the growth mindset? It is simply again positive attitude. Without positive attitude, you can't be seeing your own growth. Yes. The positive mindset, not only positive mindset, but you have to also be open to solutions. You have to be open to talking to new people or being like having teamwork. Teamwork is a major thing. And also you can say that. Sorry. Yeah, thinking in a positive way is majorly the main way to grow. Moving on, we have learning from real life examples such as Thomas Edison. Someone have mentioned over here. Why Thomas Edison is because he is one of the greatest examples. Which everyone, you may have an idea about Thomas Edison. He is the person that have failed thousand times, but still have succeeded. And he is the person to invent light. He not only brought a light bulb to this world, but brought light to his own life. And why attitude matters for success? Everything combined, positivity, negativity, involving with people, understanding each other. If you also see here, right away you plant a seed, it cannot become a tree. It needs a lot of time. You need to go step by step. You need to follow many things. And being positive, the plant grows into a beautiful tree, just so our life will also grow into a beautiful tree. I want to conclude by saying I hope everyone in here takes this as an opportunity. Listen to every single thing, even it is just repeating one by time. I want to tell you all that please take this seriously this one time. Try to be positive just like how I am. I am not positive yet. I'm still trying to be positive. Yeah, and but I know for sure that today is going to bring a big change for me in my life, and I'll continue to be positive and I'll become successful and I'll prove it. Thank you. All the best to everyone.
అమూల్య యాటిట్యూడ్ గురించి చాలా నీట్గా క్లియర్గా చెప్పింది. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అమూల్య.